is your girl Stacy-Lee. I'm back in the kitchen today. Yes, a person has been asking me about the curry goat. Yes, we just catch the goat. And today we're going to match up something in the kitchen. So we're going to do curry goat and rice and peas. This is one of our Jamaican meal. Right, Matthias? We'll be doing what? Curry goat and rice and peas. So let's get into it. We have the mutton here and we're about to clean it. Thank you. Really appreciate your help, Papa. You're so helpful. So my little helper is with me, Matthias, helping me to get the mutton going. Thank you.
Look at the bone.
Look at this thick fat. Gotta get it off. Thank you.
This one. This one. This one.
Add the vinegar, so we're just washing it to get it all clean and nice. So we're doing the curry goat with rice and peas. Yeah, that's one of Jamaican's favorite. Have a wedding, a funeral, wherever there's a gathering, you can find the favorite rice and peas and curry goat. So we're just adding the Goya seasoning to it. This is the Italian herb seasoning. And we're adding a little Maggi to it. So this is our natural seasoning. This is the scallion. And we have our onion and garlic. This is a sweet pepper. And the scallion. So just chop everything up. In any particular size because it's all going to be cooked out into the meat and give the mutton that taste. Then we'll add the curry powder to it. Then all mix it in. So this is what the curry looks like on the mutton. And you just get it all mixed in, just like that. All right, so we're going to get the pressure cooker ready. Adding the mutton to the pressure cooker. No, I'm not talking to you, Papa. Go back over there. Excuse me. So you just add a little water to it. The pressure cooker itself. Yes, we're adding some water to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bless me, Grandma.
Bless you, my guys. Of water in it because the pressure cooker itself
It's
generates
gonna get full
water.
It's gonna get hot and it's gonna broke. You don't want no more.
Thank you.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Sorry.
Press this one. No, not that one. This one, pressure. And how many minutes we giving it? 10?
And this one. Wait.
No, not that one. This one. And start. Here now, start. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to get the rice and peas ready. We already had the peas pre-cooked, so we're just going to add the peas to the pot.
Mommy, you done? Mommy, you done?
No, man.
You done?
And we'll add some water to the peas. And we're adding the scallion to it. Adding the thyme. And we're adding some garlic to it. And this is the Jamaican coconut milk. And we add it to it. Spin for me, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright, so we're just going to allow this to come to a boil. And to get the peas is still frozen. Okay. So we're going to get our. Thank you.
Wow! What are you doing? You cooking it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, right. You get more. Yeah, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
You want to put water in it?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Put it off now. you very much. Okay guys, so we went ahead and add the carrot to the broccoli. We put some corn in there. So this is the garlic salt. So we just wanted to have like a little garlicky taste to it. So just add the garlic salt to it. This have a lot of salt in it, so be careful. And you just stir it in. Looking all beautiful. Looking all nice. You can have this as a meal. The vegetable here, you can just have this as a meal, or you can have it as a side. We're going to have it as a side. All right, so this. So that's how that looks. Really, the carrot, give it that nice orange look with the broccoli and the corn. Give it that nice enticing look. You're ready to eat. All right, let's let that simmer a little. Okay guys, so the mutton, the goat meat is now pressured. So let's take a look at it. All right, so that's it. It is well pressured, soft. So we're gonna add it over to the other pot on the stove and then finish it there. Alright, so we're just going to give this some time to dry out, to get the water all down, and then it's well finished. So let's taste it if it needs anything else to add to it. I'm going to add a little garlic salt to it. It's a little bit fresh, so I'm just going to add a little of the garlic salt to it. Or you could just add the goya to it. And just allow it to cook down. And you should be finished. Let's check in and see what's going on for the rice and peas. The rice. Alright, so that's good. So everything coming down now, just waiting on the mutton to settle. And we should be good. Yeah. Okay guys, let's check in and see what's going on. So the curry goat is now finished. Look at it. So this is the end product of the curry goat. So that's what it looks like when it's finished.
No, it's not finished yet.
And let's look at the rice and peas. So look at it. So dinner is now cooked.
The dinner are cooked.
Yes, Matthias, dinner is cooked.
Yeah, dinner is
All right, so let's share.
we're share. We're gonna share. We're gonna share. Let's see here. Wow, just taste.
So the rice and peas. And let's get Matthias dinner in. All right, let's get the vegetable in.
Huh? What?
Matthias ready to eat?
Mommy, I put this in the air.
Okay, thank you.
Well,
Trying to find peas without the bone. All right, that's for Matt. All right, guys, look at it. Look very delicious. So this is the curry goat and rice and peas. So we're at the table, so we're gonna give thanks. Let's bless the food, Matthias.
let's bless the food.
Yes, sir. Lord, thank you for this meal that we're about to eat. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, guys, so this is the end product. So Matthias is going to get into his broccoli. Taste the broccoli, Matt.
Okay.
All right, so Matthias eating up his broccoli. So let's taste the rice and peas and curry goat with vegetable. Yeah? Broccoli is good, Papa?
Yeah. Lime more.
Mm-hmm.
It's lime more now.
Yes, guys, the rice and peas is nicely seasoned. The curry goat tastes really good. The gravy is just thick and nice. It's not runny. And you can taste the seasoning on the curry goat. The curry goat is very tender. Let's taste the vegetable. Really tastes nice. Hey, Matt, you enjoying your food?
Yeah.
Yeah, the broccoli is good. All right, so let's hear from the camera lady, Madarine, to see what she says about the food. And that's how the food look. Very presentable. Looking nice, tasting nice, up and running, fully charged, Matthias.
Full charge.
Yeah.
Full charge.
All right, so there is Madarine going to dive down in her food.
Let's taste the rice.
Let's taste the rice.
Yeah, you can taste the coconut milk. And it's well seasoned. Let's taste the curry goat.
Stacy-Lee by TV.
Yes, Matthias. Stacy-Lee Vibes TV.
Stacy-Lee by TV.
Yeah, fully charged, up and running.
Curry goat, I said number one.
Yeah.
Number 1.
So there you
taste the
have it,
broccoli.
guys. That's Stacy-Lee Vibes TV. So we're now going to sit and enjoy our meal. So just share, like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next episode. Say bye, Matt.
Bye.
See you on the next cooking episode, ain't it? Okay, there you have it, guys. Checking out.